Hi students, welcome back to the last topic from the chapter Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants, that is Apomixis and Polyembryony. Very simple topic. Let's see what that means. So it means seed production without fertilization seen in Asteraceae and grasses. End product of the seeds that are formed are genetically identical to the mother plant. Please note that down. And how do you define it? Asexual reproduction that mimics sexual reproduction, production of seed without fertilization. All that is fine. I think you will write it. Let's understand the whole process. All right. So in order to understand what is meant by apomixis, what you should know is you should definitely go back and read megasporogenesis. If you find it difficult, please watch my video and you will understand it better. Once you understand that for end of megasporogenesis, you will, I hope you will remember that there was a meiosis that happened. Where is it happening? It happened in the nucellus, right? Nucellus. So for you to just recap, I'm going to delete embryo sac from the ovule picture and then I'm going to explain for you to understand it better. So I'm going in to the ovule. Right now in the ovule there is nucellus, but embryo sac is not yet produced. It is yet to be produced, all right. So some cells which are near the micropylar pole is going to undergo meiotic division, correct, to form one embryo sac over here, correct. And please remember our nucellus right now is 2n. It has to undergo meiotic division to form n, and then from there goes your embryo sac which will be formed here. Correct? I hope you remember this much. But what if this doesn't happen at all? What if this nucellus does not undergo meiotic division? Will there be embryo sac formed? No, not at all. Correct? Instead, what will be there? Many cells like this will be there, nucellus. One among them will act as, let's say this one, we'll make this one the special one. This one will act as the egg. Alright? This egg, it hasn't undergone this meiotic division at all. Therefore, the egg will be 2n. Correct? Egg is 2n. It hasn't got it has not undergone fertilization. Still, it is 2n because this meiotic division did not happen for the nucellus cells. So now this is an egg. This egg will start developing into the embryo or the baby plant. That is one way of production of embryo, and that is one method of apomixis. So that is one method of formation of apomixis seeds. How? I'll explain again. Few nucellus cells which were supposed to undergo meiotic division will not undergo meiotic division. Instead, those cells will as such act as the diploid egg. Therefore, without fertilization itself, you got an embryo. That is the first method. Alright, first method. What's the other method? Other method is all the meiotic division and everything has undergone, is there, already done, and there is an embryo sac also developed here. Everything is the embryo sac has all the 8 nucleus and 7 cells and everything is there. Still, no fertilization or no availability of pollen, let us say. So what will the egg do? Egg will just be there. Instead, some of the cells of the nucellus will start growing inside the embryo sac like this. Let's say these are the cells of nucellus. It will start growing inside like this. Okay, and then here it will divide and form lot of cells. Alright. Therefore, what will happen? It will result in production of, and what will these cells become? They will, all of them will become embryos, and therefore inside the ovule there will be so many embryos being produced, and that is called as polyembryony, and that is a second method of production of apomixis seeds. I'll recap for you. First method, what happened? Nucellus cells did not undergo meiosis. One among those cells acted as the diploid egg and became the embryo. First option. Second option is that few cells of the nucellus started growing inside the embryo sac and those became the embryo. In that case, second case, example is citrus and mango. You will find a lot of seeds a lot of embryos inside one ovule or one seed. You know that the ovule itself is going to become the seed and the ovary becomes a fruit. That much you know. So inside this one seed or one ovule, there will be so many embryos. This is called polyembryony. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please connect with me through the chat box, the comment box below. And please subscribe to the channel and please share with your friends as well. Thank you.